Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Say loudly. No? Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Great. You almost are young people. You need to be very energized. Say very loudly. That is. Yeah, come. Everyone is welcome. Yeah, please note down these numbers. So this is offline admin number. Offline admin is Rajesh sir. So I hope everyone noted this number. And next one is called online admin. So those who are online people, please note down the Rajeshwari madam number. And this is my number. Okay, Omkar is my name and my number is this 970196233. Yeah, I'll give past 1 minute time. Just note down these numbers quickly. So Rajesh sir is offline and online is Rajeshwari madam and faculty is me. So there's one WhatsApp group also is there. You can join to get more updates. Again, if you want to join that WhatsApp group, again Rajesh sir is your contact number. Okay, he will down here only. You can contact to him at any time. That is. Yeah, noted right now. So yesterday we have done simple demo is happened, right? I will give some question. Okay, you need to say the answer based on the questions. Like every day, once topic is over, I will ask some questions. You need to say the answers. So that what happened, whether you understood or not. Okay, TK? Yeah. So let's see. First of all, first question is, everyone got the idea about the what is data science? Those who are yesterday is available. I am asking about those people. Everyone got the idea what is data science? What is data science? Chaitanya said yes. Tell me here. What is data science? Understood, right, everyone? Get the idea? What about others, ma'am? There are IT members are there. Please respond in the chat. I already told you this is a proactive session. Proactive session. You need to be responsive. You need to be responsive. Otherwise, it will look like a MBA class. Okay. I don't want like MBA class. Please respond in the chat. That is. Yes, very good. Tell me what is data science? What is data science? Tell me, say loudly. What is data science? What is data science? Understand the past data and make prediction for the organizations, right? Future. That is the data science. Data science analyze the past data and make the predictions, right? Generally, first suppose you have a data is there. You have a data is there. So you have data is there. And then what you need to do? We need to understand the data. We need to analyze the data so that what happen, we can make some patterns. Tomorrow a new data will come. We might make the predictions on the new data. That is the data science, right? Like we have seen the yesterday example. What is the example we have taken? X equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 4. Then x equal to 3, y is equal to kya re? Then x equal to 4. Now new data is coming. Now you need to ask what is the answer? Simple. How you made 16? Because you understood the past data, right? You understood the past data, and in your mind something is called x and x mathematics has implemented. That's called pattern. And now a new data is coming. You are making the prediction. This is a very simple. Now imagine in the very bigger way. Imagine the bigger way that you are going to approach. So, okay, you are good. And second question. Second question. And the second question is life cycle of data science. Life cycle of data science. Life cycle of data science. Tell me the life cycle of data science. First one is what? Tell me. Understand the business problem. Understand the business problem. In order to start anything, you need to understand the problem or what? Yes or no? You are working with some client, HDFC bank client. You need to talk with HDFC client, right? What is your problem? How can I help for you? That is the first thing. Now, what is he I will ask him like that. I want to know, the use case might be like this. I want to know whether I can give a loan to self-employed people or not. Self-employed people or not. Self-employed people or not. That is the question. That is the question. This is the question. That is the requirement. What is the requirement, ma? I want to know, can I give the loan to the self-employed people or not? Then immediately what you will ask? What you will ask next? Give me the data. Give me the past data. Give me the past data. Next, what you will ask? Give me the past data. Now, next, what you will do? The data might be in the good format or not good format. We doesn't know that, right? There might be some customer name will be available. Somewhere customer age will miss. Somewhere customer ITR will miss. Then there might be a fully data is available or not fully data available. We don't know that is. So what we need to do? Data pre-process. What we need to do? Data pre-process. And next D, data pre-process is done. Then what you need to do? You need to understand your data. What happened? You need to do? Understand your data. That means you need to analyze your data. Analyze the data. Analyze the data. Once you analyze the data, then what you need to do? Model building. What is the term here we are using? Model building. And then once your model is built, then what you need to do? You built the model and you came to me, sir, I built the model. Then what you need to do? I need to verify whether your model is good or wrong, correct? So what you need to do? Evaluate the model. Then evaluate the model is done. Then, okay, this model is good, I said. Then what you will do? You will call the HDFC bank guy. My manager has approved. This model is good. So take this model. Take this model. That is called model handover. That is called model deployment. What is the term we are calling? Model deployment. This is a story. This is a life cycle. This is a life cycle of any data scientist. This is a life cycle of any data scientist. Now see here. Understand the business problem. It will take care of your lead and your manager. Okay, because you are a fresher. You joined in some company. You got a medical problem. Okay, medical data you got. We doesn't know about the medical terms, right? Suppose you are a fresher, you got the finance data. We doesn't know about finance problem, right? So who will take care of this? Manager will take care of, because he is a experienced guy. He will understand the problem and he will convey to you. There's a client is there, that's why I hire you. So this is the problem, because you are already a data scientist. So you need to do work for me. That is the thing happened. So no need to worry about the business problem understanding, because the terms you doesn't know, right? At least you need to get 5 years experience to understand the business, right? If you need to work, if you are working in as a carpenter, you know everything as a carpenter work, right? Like that. So next, what is that? Whenever you have asking the problem, you are asking what? Data. You are asking a data. So which technology is required here? What is the technology required? SQL. What technology is required? SQL. So what we will learn in the data science first? SQL we will learn. What we will learn? SQL. And next, what you need to do? Data pre-process. Data pre-process means, again, what is required? Python is required. Python is required, and what is required? SQL is required. Pre-processing only. We are doing only pre-processing. Now, next you want to analyze the data. Next you want to do analyze the data. Analyze the data means, what is the analysis here? That is called statistics. I will tell you the story of analysis. What is meant by analysis exactly? I will tell the story. Okay. Let's see that here. Suppose a USA guy wants to know average income of Indian people. That is the question. Okay, average income people. Now first guy, so he gathered the data. He gathered the data. The data is like this. One is 1 lakh. Another one is 50,000. Another one is 60,000. Another one is 2 lakh. Okay. So this is the data is there. Now what is the average salary? Tell me. What is the average salary? 1 lakh means 100K, 50K plus 60K plus 2 lakh means 200K. How much? Bolo. 300, 410. 410 by 4. How much? 1 point? Approximately 1 lakh, correct? Approximately what? 1 lakh. Approximately 1 lakh. So you said to this, with this data, you understood what you will say that, okay, man, my Indian people average salary is 1 lakh. Then the USA guy is believe. That is, this is called analysis. This is called analysis. Suppose, now there is you added Ambani income. You added what? Ambani income. How much Ambani income? 100 crores. Okay, 100 crores. Now add into 100 crores. 1 lakh, 50K, 60K, 2 lakh, now 100 crores. Now tell me this average. 100K, 50K, plus 60K, plus 200K, plus 100 crores. I don't need exact answer. Tell me approximate answer. What is the approximate answer? 20 crores. Whatever. In Indian, everyone is rich. You will understood that or not? Everyone has earned 20 crores rupees. So this is the analysis, right? So here Ambani is like some kind of an unusual guy. If you add Ambani, your data is completely corrupted. If you are not added data, that is a good data. If you add Sachin Tendulkar scores, Sachin Tendulkar centuries, then unusual thing, right? Like that. So if you add Michael Jackson records, that is unusual things. So like that you need to understand the data. This is the way to analyze the data. Understood what is by analysis? That is the analysis of data. Very good. That is the analysis of data. Now you got, that's why who will help to analysis? Statistics will help. Who will help? Statistics help. There might be a missing values will be available. There might be outliers. Here Ambani we call outlier. What is the term we call? Outlier. Ambani is the outlier. If you add Ambani, your data is gone. That's why we need to add the Ambani. So we need to care of the outliers. So it's the statistics. Now next what happen? We need to build the models. Once we understand the data, we need to build the model. What model will help you to predict the future? To predict the future. Here you predicted, right? What you predicted here? X is equal to Y is equal to 4. What answer you predicted? 16. That means what comes in your mind? Y is equal to X into X. This is a model. This is a model. So like that, after you understand your data, you need to discover a model. So that is the only you will learn in the data science. That is the only you will learn in the data science. Which model? Right model at right point of time. How can you provide? That is the story we will learn in the entire data science. So many models will be available. So many use cases will be available. Correct? Let's see some use cases. Yesterday we discussed some use cases, right? Let's see one use case. Suppose one use case is this. Let's see. I'll give the use cases now. Let's see the use case. So what kind of projects you are going to do generally? What kind of projects you are going to do? That I will just tell you now. Suppose, let's see. Leaf disease classification. What is this here? Leaf disease classification. Leaf disease classification. Now there are three kind of leaves will be available. Three kind of leaves will be available. See, this is called healthy leaf. This is called healthy leaf. Looking like healthy or not? Looking like healthy leaf. And next, another leaf is coming. This is called what? Angular leaf spot. What is coming? Angular leaf. Some unhealthy. Some kind of unhealthy. Now one more thing is coming. This is called rusty. This is called rust. Now a new leaf will come. You need to say that either it is a healthy or unhealthy. That is the question. Understood? This is who will done this kind of approach? Data science will do. So this is nothing but a AI project. This is nothing but a AI project. They will implement in pharma. They will implement in pharma. So here what your analysis, what you are doing analysis is called image, right? You are doing what? Image analysis. What you are doing? Image analysis. So note down this, very important. What we are doing called image analysis. Image analysis. First one is called image analysis. Now second, we'll see one more use case. Just remember that image analysis. We'll see one more use case now. Suppose Amazon iPhone review analysis. What is this called? Amazon iPhone review. Now iPhone 15 came, right? Now what you need to do? You need to scrap the data. What you need to do? You need to scrap the data, reviews. Original, you went to Amazon website. You went to means not you will go, your Python, you will write a Python code. You'll write a Python code to grab the reviews and you need to analyze whether it is a good review or bad review. That is the use case. So second use case is what? Reviews analysis. What is that? Review analysis. Review analysis. This is called sentiment analysis. What the name is called? Sentiment analysis. These all are real-time projects now. What I'm showing is called real-time in company. What we are doing, that projects only I'm showing. I'm not showing that training projects. So that is the only my beauty. I always give the only real-time projects. This is completely a Amazon review project. Let's see here. Now here if you see, this is the data, very recent data, 2022 December 1st, 2022 December 27, very recent data this is. And this is a country info is everything is the reviewed in the United States only. And what is the name of the guy? Meg. Another name is guy? Matthew. So what is review he provided? Pretty good. He provided great phone. He provided perfect phone. This all is available where? In Amazon website. It is available? Amazon website. So you are grab the information. You grab the information. So that is a different Python code is available. Okay, now content, now rating is there, now link is there, now everything link is there, and product title. What is the product title here? The product title is iPhone. Everything is iPhone. Now come here. We have done some pre-processing text. Now you see this is some kind of word cloud. Whatever the most common words is coming, it will display. Now what is the most common word you are seeing? Phone, because you are talking about phone. What is another one most common word? Great. You are talking about great. Because so many people are writing great. That's the most frequent words. In your class, 50 members are there. In that 30 members are writing great. So that great word will come. The great word will come. So immediately you can understand or not by using the reviews. A quick reviews. Now here good is there. So everything. This is called most common words in the reviews. Now coming to the next. Now you provided some analysis that we will learn, that I will teach you how to do the analysis, some analysis. You provided some score ma, where greater than that score you provided positive, less than that score you provided negative review. If that score is exactly come, that is called neutral. Okay, like this analysis you will do. How you will do is that only your job. That only your job. You need to learn that how you do. Now coming to here, I just pasted a bar graph analysis. How many positive reviews are there? How many neutral reviews are there? How many negative reviews are there? Obviously, iPhone will get the negative reviews less, right? So more positive, either neutral you will get. That is. So this is bar chart will clearly you can visible and you can say, right? Mera jarurat nahi hai. Abhi, you can easily say this by saying this. So that is called analysis. Your client will understand easily, no? So that's why analysis plays a very, very important role. Now, come here now. Now this is only the positive reviews. Suppose only I'm saying only positive reviews. Only positive word only you will see. Good, Excel, phone, great, condition, quality, deal, product, buy. Quality only positive will come. Like that you will see the only negative here. Problem, sin, excellent is coming. See, we are talking about negative reviews, but what I'm saying here, excellent. That means something is wrong in my data. Something is wrong in my code. I need to again go back. I need to understand where it is wrong. Like that, this is a keep on trial and error process. Understand? So this is your completely analysis on which data? Text data. What data this is called? Text data. So this is one use case. First is what? Image data. Count, okay. First one is image data. Second one is text data. Understood now? Now next, we'll see one more data. We'll say one more thing, one more use case. So just now today we created an app. Today we created an app. Okay. Today we created an app. So how we created app, I will show you that. Okay. So ML Python. So linear regression with Streamlit. So CD space and Streamlit run app streamlit.py. So today only we created this app. So I will make you to how to create the apps, not only the analysis. That is, see, this is the app we are getting now. It is running the app. Now see, this is a called app. What is the app is called? Wine quality. What is called? Whether your wine is quality or not. So what they are giving some fixed acidity. So I need to provide some values here. 11, 12, some random values I'm providing. Okay. 3, 4, 5, some 7, some 8, some 9, then 11, some 13. Now I will click the button, I will get the output. 90 is the output is coming. So this is what is the use case of this? While providing some values, you want to provide whether the wine is quality or not. That is the one use case. That is the one use case, wine quality. So you are providing a quality of wine. Quality of wine. That is the use case. And you want to predict a stock price. Stock price of HDFC Bank. That is the one use case. And you want to provide a whether you want to opt a loan or not. Whether you want to give a loan or not. Loan or not. That is the one use case. And whether you want to do fair prediction. Fair prediction. That is one use case. Now you want to create, there's so many use cases. No, like this you can say, tell me one use case now. Tell me one data science use case. Tell me, speak loudly. Weather forecasting. Weather forecasting, great. Now tell me another use case. Tell me. Sports. I didn't hear. Stock I have written, no? Next, tell me. I need answers, ma. I need answers. Live cricket score. Live cricket score you can't predict, na? That is live. Okay, you can't predict. What Rohit Sharma will hit 6 or will hit 2. How can you predict? That's a gambling. That is not prediction. Okay. That is not prediction. Don't go into that. Tell me the use cases. So I have seen that review analysis is a use case. Whether a new review will come, you will say whether the provider. Now there's a use case called recommendation engine. Recommendation engine. Can I recommend to this or this person or not? That is a use case. Like so many use cases are there, right? Now if you see this, every use case in every industry. Every use case is every industry. Travel industry, medical industry, finance industry, and e-commerce industry, bio industry, every industry. Drug test. There was a drug in works or not? Drug test. Yeah, I need answers. Tell me some thing. YouTube loss in video prediction, that is correct. Skin disease prediction, correct. Election win prediction, correct. Everything is right now. Diabetes prediction, whether you will get a diabetes or not. Heart predictions, whether you will get a heart prediction or not. That's the medical things. So many are there, right? These all are data science use cases. These all are data science use cases. Now understand what is data science means. Clear understanding? Now we'll see. I have shown 3 use cases, right? Now let's see the 4th use case. Now let's see the 4th use case. Let's see the 4th use case. These all are real-time use cases, ma. Again, all are real-time use cases. Articles. Images, videos. Yeah, this is the self-driving car analysis, whether I implemented like 4 or 5 years back. This will, what is doing? Tell me. What it is doing? Accident, huh? We are seeing only that. What is the data science doing here? Accident or what? What data science is doing? Identify the objects. Identify the objects. It's identifying car. It's identifying pole. It's identifying human being, traffic light, everything identifying or not. This is called identifying object, not accident. Okay. What this analysis is called? Identify the object. So this is called also object detection. Object detection. So all are real-time use cases. Again. So object detection. Object detection. Face detection. You know face detection? Let's see the face detection. Face detection. I will show you the project, then you will get the idea. If I show directly like MBA, what you will do means you will not get. Now you are getting slowly idea, right? What you are going to do in data science, like that. So let's see the face detection now. Whatever I am saying in the class, definitely I will teach that. Okay. Definitely you will do the projects. Data science. Today I will take more time. Today I have not much work. So we'll cover slowly and I will take all the questions. I will answer each and every question. Okay. First you understand what going to data science is doing. Okay. Classification, real, deep learning, and Python codes, and face detection. Face detection. Let's see the face detection. So this is your previous batch people are already done. That is, yes, correct, Chetan. Now let's see CV2 and face detection. So if you pass any image, okay, it will identify the image. So this is a image. This is my image. Okay, this is my image. So I'm just closing this. Now I want to identify the image. So to identify the image, so it is identify the red box. Is identifying the image. Now again, suppose if we want to do the real-time analysis, video analysis, I'll just do the video. We'll open the video. That is video analysis. The light is on just now only. The video is coming like this. So if I remove my cap, it will understand because that is not, that video is not capture the cap video. If I put straight, okay. You are seeing a boxes. Are you seeing the boxes? So it is identifying the objects like that. That is called face detection. It is called the face detection capture. So I'm just closing this. This is one use case. Face detection, object detection, leaf image analytics, text analytics, finance problem. This is everything. That all are use cases. Now tell me where data science is required. Where data science is required? Everywhere. Everywhere data science is required. Everywhere. That's the beauty. It got struck. That's why. No small. This is a big framework actually. We need to do on the cloud. That's why it got struck. Let's close this program. Let's see another one. Let's see another use case. 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 One more use case is called chartboard. Chartboard creation. Suppose you want to create a chartboard. You want to create a chartboard. Chartboard, you know, right? You want to enter the question, it will give the answer. That's the chartboard. Now, suppose this is a taking from Wikipedia. Data science is a interdisciplinary field that uses scientific method. This is I am taking from Wikipedia. This entire thing. Now, based on this, if you ask the questions, it will give the answers. Like that, we need to create the chatbot. So I created this. Now I will give the answers. Now you see, first question. My bot is saying, my name is Siri. Let's have a chat. Like that. First, whenever you enter any website, it will say like this only, right? So I am the Siri. Tell me what can I help you. If you want exit, just say bye. So I said what? Hi. My bot is saying what? Hi. I asked the question, what is data science? Now my bot is saying that, however, data science is different from the computer science and informative science. Like that, it is saying the answer. Next, I misspelled the contents. Instead of contents, what I gave? Contents. So it didn't understand. What it is saying? I am sorry. Next, what I given? Correct answer. Contents. Now what it is saying that it will give all the contents. Like this. Okay, Maja? So like this, chatbot creation is possible. So chatbot creation, now we will give to the front end people. He will create an app for you. Just now I showed the app, right? Like that also he will give create the app for you. So now data science is required like here. Yeah, these all are real-time use cases. You can't find this in the normal training institutions. I can give 200% sure that is. You can ask your friends what kind of data science algorithms you have done. They will say only these kind of things. What they will do is they will do these kind of things. Quality of wine, stock prediction, loan, fair prediction, only these kind of things. But with me, you can especially learn image analytics, page detection algorithms, chartboard creations, that what I'm showing, right? All the things you will learn, that is. We'll see some more technique. The beautiful technique nowadays is called generative AI. What is coming, ma? Generative AI. Now, generally, the data science is now divided into three parts. Data science divided into three parts. One is machine learning. One is what? Machine learning. So, for example, machine learning use cases are wine quality. Wine quality is a machine learning use case. Okay. Loan prediction is called machine learning use case. Stock prediction is a machine learning use case. Stock prediction is a machine learning use case. Weather forecast is also machine learning use case. Scare disease. Okay. That is equal to disease alert also is machine learning use case. These all are kind of machine learning use cases. Are you identify the different types now? Okay, these all are machine learning use case. Suppose next is what? Deep learning. Next is what? Deep learning. What is deep learning? Is nothing but completely image analytics. Complete image analytics. Like suppose car driving, object detection. Okay, video detection, image analytics, object detection, video detection, face detection. If you want to paste some image, that means which algorithms now? Deep learning algorithms. Okay. Images means deep learning. Remember that. Image means which type? Deep learning. Image means deep learning algorithms. Image means deep learning algorithms. Now third one is called natural language processing. Natural language process. Third one is what? Natural language process. Completely a text analytics. Completely what? Text analytics. Tell me the example of text analytics. Just now we have seen chatbot creation. One more thing also we have seen. Review analysis. Be proactive in the class. Okay. Be proactive in the class. Only Chetan is saying, what about others? Everyone is sleeping or what? Okay. Don't sleep, ma. Please respond in the class. Okay. If you respond only, we can discuss more, right? Data science is a group discussion. Okay. You just sit and listen. You can't work. If you want to do that, take the Udemy courses. 500 rupees machine learning. Okay, no need to discuss with the trainer. No need to discuss with trainer. 500 rupees ML is done. Of that course, don't come to my class. Are you understanding? Those who are online people. Only Chetan is responding. Machine learning, Udemy. Machine learning, Udemy. Okay. Machine learning, Udemy. Of this course, if you're not able to talk. How many rupees are you are seeing? How many rupees you are seeing? No need to talk with no need to talk with trainer. No need to do anything. Just purchase this. Machine learning done. Okay, talk something, discuss something. When I ask, say something. Understood? You people are not a kids, right? You people are next employees. Some people are already employees are there. Some people are next door employees. So shies will not work here. You need to talk. Everyone is the babies only in the data science here. Even the 20 years experienced guy also, he learned under me. He is a baby only in the data science. So he has many doubts. Like that also, you have also many doubts. Getting doubts is very, very common. Getting silly doubts is very, 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 very common. Getting silly doubts is very, 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 very common. And 10 years back, when I want to board a flight, right? So I want to make a water. I want to make a water bottle from the airport. Okay. So I went, it is like this, and I'm trying, the water is not coming. And there's a one guy is there, push the below with your leg, then water will come top. I don't know that about that at the time. That is a silly, no? That if I see that is a silly, that is like that. So everyone doesn't know anything. Silly doubts are very, very acceptable. कुछ भी doubt हो, जो भी doubt हो, मेरे को पूछो. Okay, I will clarify that. That is, first understand what is the data science. First understand what is the data science. Try to talk that. Try to talk. Yeah, review analysis. Suppose in your Google you type next word prediction will come, right? Next word prediction. Next word prediction. That is also will come. Spell correction. That is also use case. Document summarization. Yeah, resume, automatical resume building. Automation of resume building. That is document summary. And so many use cases. We will see some use case now. Okay, we'll see some use case. This is some use case now. Suppose let's see OCR. Let's see OCR. OCR means what happened? There is an image will be there. On the image, there is a text will be there. Now you want to read the text. What you want to do? You want to read the text. So don't panic about Python codes. Don't panic about the Python codes. Why it is no module error is coming? Is gone or what? Pip install PyTest, right? Yeah, it is worse before, but okay. I will just show you that output. Let's see. So this is output, ma. I will just show the image. Again, I need to install. It will take time. I don't want that. So I will just show the output and use case. NLP and Python codes and images. Yeah, this is a test image. Why it is not coming? Gone. This also gone. Whatever. Currently unsupported. The file is corrupted. Okay, there is some, like suppose invoice is there. Let's see the invoice is there. Let's say the bill 2 is there, invoice is there, alpha, this invoice is there. This is actually what image. You want to get the text from this image. You want to get the text from this image. That is also a data science use case. That is also a data science use case. Now you see invoice, your company, LLC, address, 123, state, my country. Are you seeing everything, the output here? These are the outputs. Like that, you need to extract the data. That is also under the NLP. Like so many use cases are there, right? So many use. They all are real time. This is called only we called AI, artificial intelligence. This is only we call what? AI. So now data science is the three parts now. Machine learning is the first part, and deep learning is the second part, and natural language processing is the third part. Deep learning is nothing but what? Image analytics. Image analytics. And natural language processing is nothing but what? Text analytics. And machine learning means your normal day-to-day life. Day-to-day life of use cases. According to you, which content of DSR to learn student who belongs to non-IT BG? Word processing, autocorrect. Yeah. And this is the question people will ask you. If you want to become a data scientist, you need to learn all these three. Okay, you need to learn all these three. What you need to learn? Machine learning and deep learning and NLP. Then only you will become a data scientist tag. Because company doesn't know, right? What is the use case of that? Tomorrow many use cases will come. We don't know what company will hire you, what the purpose of that. So that's why data science should learn all these three. And these three are very, very simple, ma. Only thing is you need to put 100% effort when in the class. Okay. Now my student just now implemented app. Okay. Now send to the, just now I sent them to the message here. Hello students, everyone need to share the screenshot of Streamlit app on house prediction by 11 a.m. They are working under the labs now. That is by 11 a.m. they will send the screenshot to my WhatsApp group. Okay. That means they are dedicated. They are dedicated like that. They are learning. So one day I will call them. There are different people are there. I will take the questions who are non-IT background, who are IT background, who are freshers, who are not freshers, who are experienced. Everyone will be available. Everyone will be available here. None of my student. I will talk about that. First, understand the data science. Understand the use case. Understand the beauty, how life is transforming, how the technology is changing. Now one more thing is called recently I added my generative AI use case. Generative AI. That is I added. Generative AI. Whatever you want to say, that will come like that. Generative AI. This is very, very recent. In 2023, people are talking about this. So I thought in the we are company, we are implementing this. So I thought, why can't I teach to my students? So this is specially I'm offering from my end. I will tell you what is generative AI. I will show you that. This also gone. आज क्या हो जाएगा आज? My laptop is. I'm killing my laptop or what? That's not enough space. अरे यार. Yeah, this is the generative AI. You see, suppose you want to prompt a write a tagline for an ice cream shop. Suppose you have an ice cream shop is there. You are asking a data science to, there's a model will be there called generative AI. What is the use case? I want ice cream name. So my name is Omkar. Okay, I want a suitable name of ice cream shop with my name. So that it will give the answer. It will give the answer. That is called generative AI. What is the answer it's giving? We serve our smiles with every scoop. That is a good, no? Good tagline, no? That is like that, it will give that. Now, suppose there is a one more use case is there. I am having a trouble to getting my iPhone box to turn on. I don't know where to search. Then what happen? There is a generative AI app will be there. I want to search in that. Then what it will give? It will give the steps. Now, suppose there is a here. What are the few games to I can recommend to my child? So I will give them my child height and weight and his strengths and weakness and everything. It will give the correct game. So he's suitable for cricket, he's suitable for badminton, it will give that. That's called generative AI. Whatever we are thinking, now the machine will think and it will say the answer. Not only that, if I asking, we created recently Prabhas with Virat Kohli. Okay, I want to generate an image with Prabhas Virat Kohli, it will generate that. That only yesterday I told deep fake the image. I want Spider-Man in the Mars and it will give the Spider-Man the Mars image. Like that also it will give. That is called generative AI. That is called, let's see the use case here, generative AI. Prabhas with Virat Kohli, we will see that. Maja aega in that. Prabhas with Virat Kohli. Yeah, generative AI use case. Generative AI. First one is what? Machine learning. Second one is what? Deep learning. Third one is what? NLP. Now fourth one is what? Generative AI. This is very recent. Recent this is. Let it open. Yeah. Yeah, this is I have given a name is called. Who is this guy name? Virat Kohli. Yeah? Virat Kohli batting. What I given? Virat Kohli batting. Then it is given Virat Kohli, but he's not look like Virat Kohli actually. Okay, it is given the image like this. Virat Kohli batting. Now given one more thing is called here. Prabhas with Virat Kohli. It will look like this. Who is Prabhas? Who is Virat Kohli in this? Both are beard guys only. That is. It will generate automatically. Now Spider-Man on Mars. Let's give that Spider-Man. And let's give that suppose. You can name it anything. Yeah, name it. What I want to give here. Huh? Which one? Rajinikanth. Okay, you need Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth? That's it? Only Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth dance. Let's see. Rajinikanth dance. Okay. Let's see it will come or not. Spider-Man. Yeah, like ChatGPT. Yes. Yeah, that is AI tools and technologies. Everything is my job, right? First, today is your babies. So understand what is the technology so that I can help you to how can you achieve the technology, right? I can't dictate every today only all the tools and all the technologies, learn it, come and that is not will works. Understood? Because this is a easy thing when you learn a thing. More no module about diffusers. Today everything is gone or what? Let's see. Let it install. Let it install. Installing. Yeah, it is installed. And when we install that, yeah, it's okay, fine. No restart is not required. No restart is not required. Let's, I hope answer will come. Let's see. Yeah, it is running. Downloading. So this I'm doing on the cloud, ma. This I'm doing on cloud. Okay, this I'm doing on the, my local will not support these kind of things. Okay, local will not support. This will see on the cloud. This is called generative AI use case. I hope Rajnikant will dance now. Let's see. Downloading, coming. Yeah. Meanwhile, now the tools required for data science. Tell me what is the difference between tools and technologies? Tell me what is the difference between tools and technologies? Tools can change in every year, but technology will not change. Okay. Tell me the name the 5 technologies quickly. Data science, blockchain, cyber security, cloud computing, IoT. Bas, very good. Very good. That is only, it is not, it is a data science, right? It is a AI. How can the so people are implementing ChatGPT and that means so much time it will take, na? It will take hours and days, months, it will train. That's why that is Google, Amazon and OpenAI, Elon Musk. They are very famous to implement all the AI models, right? That is. So it will take years, it will take some months to do all these things. Hey, wow. But it's not Rajnikant here. It's not Rajnikant. Like that again, whatever these kind of things, generative AI now it is in progress actually. Generative AI now it is in progress. One day generative AI will be full speed. That is. Understood now use cases now? This is also now we will teach generative AI. That is the 4th one. So the tools you are required to learn is, the first tool is called Python. Python programming language. What you learn? Python programming language. And second one is you will do the SQL. You will do the SQL. And third one you will do the Power BI. What you will do? Power BI. Power BI is nothing but a visualization tool. It is a visualization tool. Let's see that Power BI will open or not. Today nothing is worth. Let's hope. I will open the Power BI. So HR Analytics 1, HR Analytics, let's see this HR Analytics. Let's see this HR Analytics. So Python is required, SQL is required, Power BI is required. Further, that is our tools. Tomorrow after 2-3 years, the tools might be changed. SQL will be there from long onwards. After that, NoSQL came, MongoDB, CosmoDB, that is different is coming. But here the special thing is what? I will learn this, I will teach the SQL from the cloud. I will not teach the MySQL. Okay, I will not teach the MySQL. I will teach that Microsoft SQL Server. MS SQL Server I will teach. This is related to Azure. This is related to Azure. So this I will teach. SQL Server. Not MySQL like local kind of thing. So I will show to how to connect to cloud and how to upload the data, how to read the data, that I will show that everything. That is called Microsoft SQL Server. What is the full form? Tell me. Microsoft SQL Server. That I will teach. Let's see Power BI is open. Something went wrong. Today's everything is gone. I think this is need required some booting. It's okay. Let's see that. Yeah, these are the tools, ma. So Python programming language is very, very important, and this is for your lifetime. This is for your lifetime because you want to implement machine learning algorithms, you want to implement deep learning algorithms, you want to implement NLP algorithms, you want to implement generative AI. What is what? Generative AI use case. All required what? Python only. This Python is no prerequisites is not required, ma. Okay, you don't require Java, you don't require C, you don't require JavaScript, nothing is required. Just come to the class and sit and you will learn the Python. Simple. Python is very, 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 very easy. Damn easy Python. Okay, you can't imagine that much easy that language. I never seen this much easy. Let's see that how much it is easy. Let's see here. So suppose if you want to write the addition of two programs in C language, tell me. How many know C? Addition of two values. Okay, suppose 20, 30. I want to add these two. How can you write in C language? Include stdio.data which I'm not writing all these things. I'm just giving the idea. Okay. Then curly braces. Then int a is equal to 20 colon into b is equal to 30 colon. Then printf and scanf. Everything will come right. Then return. How many lines are there? Tell me. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in Python, very simple. A is equal to 20, right? B is equal to 30, you will write. And do A plus B, you will give the answer. That's it. That's the Python. Python is very simple. So no need of any prior language. No need of any prior language. Python is very, very simple. And we will teach from scratch level. From scratch. Let's see the syllabus of Python. Let's see the syllabus of Python. First one, Python basics. Okay. I will give the different platforms. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell about Python more. Okay. Today you just focus on the syllabus now. Okay. You understood the data science now? You understood what you are going to learn now? What is your achievements? What are your goals in the future? Are you getting the idea? Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Those who are not responding, go to Udemy classes. Okay. Yeah. Now this is the first one is Python introduction, ma. Python basics, Python data type utilities, Python production level. 3 levels actually. Python basic level 1, Python level 2, and Python level 3. That we will teach first. It will take 20 to 25 days. That is only Python. Then after also Python will be there. But again it is a data analysis using Python, machine learning using Python, deep learning using Python. That is a Python thing. Understood? So all the materials, all the workbook sheets, that is, I will share 4 type of things. I will share 4 type of materials. I will tell you what are the materials is. First is what we learn in the classroom. What we learn in the classroom, that I will share. And second thing is PPTs. Second thing is what? PPTs. And third one is called textbooks. Third one is what? Textbooks. And fourth one is called reference materials. Reference material, like maybe YouTube links or some other links or other blogs, that all I will share. This everything. This is Python related, machine learning related, and deep learning related. Everything they will share. Where we will share? We have a Google Classroom will be available. What will be available? Google Classroom. Google Classroom will be available. Those who are opted this course, they can access this for lifetime. Lifetime access. I will show you that how it look like. So this is the batch 715 batch. Approximately there are 93 members are there. How many are there? 93 members are there. So this is a class work. Now you see ML Python, ML PPT, ML textbooks, ML assignments, ML notes. Okay, everything will be available. So notes means what? Whatever we done in the class with the document, with write-up. I told you, right? What is my teaching methodology? We will do in the class practically on the book and pen and paper, and the same thing we will implement by using Python. That is the teaching methodology, so that you will can easily understand what I am doing. I don't like to write on the kind of board, okay? Because some people, what they will do, they will connect with pad and they will write on the pad. I don't like that. Because why? Because you people miss the story, miss the concepts if I write. So like that, what happen? I will type each and every letter. I will type each and every letter, and you need to write in your notebook. That's called practically. I will take on the small data set, like suppose 15 observations, 20 observations of data we will take. And we will do step-by-step analysis, so that you will understand what is the theory and what is the math behind that. And again, what is the next step? We'll take a bigger data set. We will implement by using Python. Two methodologies. One is theoretically, another one is practically. So that is you are seeing is called materials. This is one algorithm material, and this is the PPTs, and this is the material. This is the material. Like that, everything will be available. Where will be available? In the Google Classroom. Everything will be available. So many materials you will get. And still they are in the only machine learning only. Flash we completed, GitHub we completed. Okay, I told you, right? I will teach Flash and I will teach GitHub also. Whatever I am telling, 100% I will complete. 100% I will complete. Very, very good projects and everything. That is. And these all are extra. Actually, GitHub is extra, Flask is extra, Streamlit app creation is extra. That is, you will not get outside. That is because GitHub is useful for employees. Or suppose you want to take your code, right? You want to take your code from your manager. Your manager will not share the code that through email. Okay, he will maintain some repository that is called GitHub. You need to learn the commands, how to access that. That is called real-time approaches. So that we will share here. So where we will share here? Google Classroom. This is called lifetime access. So that is clear till now. Okay, that is Python. First, what we learn about Python programming language. You are good about Python. Let's see. Yes, there's so many projects, ma. There's so many projects. Approximately, you will get 30 to 40 projects. 30 to 40 projects you will get. Okay, and everything, almost everything is the AI projects only. Like I will divide the groups. At the end of that, I will tell you right here. See, chartboard you will create, review analysis you will do, next word prediction you will do, spell correction you will do, document summarization you will do. That everything, whatever. Suppose you said, sir, I have one use case is there. How can I implement? Yes, welcome. That is face detection is there. You want to publish a paper? Yes, welcome. That is also. That is whatever the use case you want to come with the use case, I will help you that. That is so many projects you will do. So many projects. And not only that, with me, you will get so many assignments also. You will get so many assignments. Python is completed, then Python assignment will come. Chapter 1 is completed, chapter 1 assignment. Chapter 2 completed, chapter 2 assignments. Chapter 3 assignments, every assignments. Then machine learning is completed. I will tell you to write a story on that machine learning. Write up. You need to write the story. You need to write the story. Let's see. You need to write the story and you need to take the LinkedIn accounts. You need to upload into the LinkedIn. You need to upload in the LinkedIn. So that what happen? Your digital weightage will be increased. Your digital weightage will be. Array, what happened today? Just close this. Let's see. Not enough memory. Give me 1 minute. Huh? So digital weightage is very, very important, ma. I'll just close this. Got stuck. Yeah. Digital weightage is very, very important. Digital weightage is matlab gone. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Yeah, give me 1 minute, guys. I will just refresh this. Okay. I will just refresh that. Yeah, very good. Digital weight is nothing but not WhatsApp group, not Instagram groups. Okay. Digital weight is nothing but LinkedIn, Medium articles. Like that, you need to write the article. That is called digital weightage. Give me 1 minute again. Okay, let's see. Let's write here. So what happened? You will write a articles. You will write articles and you will publish. You will publish on the LinkedIn. I will show about my students. Okay, how they are doing. They are doing very great. Publish on LinkedIn. So that what happened? You will reach to some much about data science community. Data science community, and they'll directly call for interviews. Interview calls will come directly. Okay, if your works, there some people will monitor and they'll call you directly for the interviews, so that you will get the job opportunities. So you people also should encourage to them, like you need to give thumbs up, or you will give like or share like that. So it will reach to many community. Suppose I have 1,000 followers I have. So if you maintain my name, right? If you mention my name, so all my followers will see, all my HRs will see, all my managers, leads can see, and they will contact you directly like that. Like that, so many people got the jobs. That is the one approach. And next thing is, so now tell me what we have done here. Suppose first one is what required? Python is required. Okay. Python is required. What will offer? Python nodes, Python class nodes we will submit. And next what will give? Python PPTs we will give. Python PPTs and Python textbooks, and as well as what we provided, whatever the materials, maybe YouTube links, whom you need to follow, which blogs you need to follow to get the good Python coding skills, and where you need to practice, like HackerRank, where you need to practice. HackerRank is a website to practice the Python codes. Like everything, I will provide that information that is related to Python. That is the first one. And second one is, second one, what we will learn? SQL. Which SQL we will learn? Microsoft SQL Server we will learn. What we will learn? Microsoft SQL Server. Third one is what? Power BI. Third one will what? Power BI. These are the tools. These are the tools. Next will come, next subject will come statistics. What will come? Statistics will come. Statistics also very simple statistics. That is, you will understand your data. You will understand how to plot the diagrams, bar diagrams, pie charts, tables, and mean, median mode, variance, standard deviation. Not only that, little bit more depth of statistics. What is required for machine learning? So statistics is a gateway to open the machine learning. Okay, once statistics done, we will learn about machine learning. We'll learn about machine learning. Under machine learning, again, we'll take the separate session of the machine learning maybe day after tomorrow or tomorrow. How many algorithms are there? Then I will give the idea. How many algorithms are there? What we will learn in the machine learning. And then we will learn about the deep learning. Then we learn about the deep learning. Then we learn about the NLP. And then we learn about the generative AI. What we learn about? Generative AI. And that is called the chat GPT also we will learn. Chat GPT also will learn. Not only that, for only experienced people, especially this is everyone, but experienced people is required this cloud. How to develop ML algorithms on cloud. Okay, that is called ML ops. What is called ML ops? This is also specially I included. This is for experienced people, more than 6 years, 7 years experience people is definitely it is required. For freshers is okay, they will not ask. For 2 years experience also they will not ask. Those who are having more than 6 years, experience, I included this because of them. ML ops, because they need to know about the cloud skill also. I will teach to everyone, but this is especially for whom? Experienced people. Especially for experienced people. Not only that, I will teach about the Flask. I will teach about the app creations, and I will teach about the GitHub and everything. This is again extra, all this. From 8th to 12th, everything is the industry use cases, my industry use cases. That is from Naresh IT, we are offering from this year, everything. That is, especially me. Before I am in Bangalore, I usually do corporate trainings and everything. So I transferred to Hyderabad. Now I collaborated with Naresh IT. So I included the same syllabus there in the corporate trainings I am giving. That is same syllabus. That is. So this all we will do. Not only that, we will do almost 30 to 40 projects we will do. And I will more focus on all AI projects only. All AI projects only will more focus. Machine learning is jujube, that is. Everyone can do machine learning. Those who guys are implementing deep learning NLP, that is the stuff. That is the stuff. That's why if you ask outside, when you people will the interviewer also not able to take the proper interview on the deep learning skills, because that guy also converted guy only. Okay, because data science is not there before 10 years, right? Now you will see there's a 15 years experience guy. He's a data science. Is really a data science for 15 years experience? No. They also learn like you only. They also converted and they also doing the practice. So that is the thing. So that is a syllabus. I will open the syllabus copy again. I'll open the syllabus copy again. Let's go to the syllabus now. So just look at the each and everything. Okay, each and everything. Look at it. First one is Python basics. And next one is what? Python data types and utilities, and file handling sessions and production level. Next is the SQL, and next is the mathematics. So mathematics is required for data science algorithms, like y is equal to x square. You made it right, an equation in the same way, and that mathematics also very simple mathematics. Very simple. It is not I'm asking Lagrange's theorem, Newton's law, that we are not asking here. Euler's theory, that we are not asking. Okay, Rutherford's theory, you know, M1 MM. Those who are done BTech. Okay, so many people are failed in MM in BTech. I know that. That is not only 10th class maths, till 10th. Matrix, line equations, okay, algebra, arithmetic mean progression, harmonic progression, that kind of mathematics. And cos theta, sin theta, this kind of mathematics is required. Only that mathematics is required. So let's see here. I'll give the example of ML ops now. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, ML ops is nothing but you develop a model. Suppose you develop a sentiment analysis. If a guy post a review, now your model will say that where is a positive review or negative review. That use case you have identified. Okay, what is the use case here? What is the use case here? If a guy posts a review, your model will say that whether it is a positive review or negative review that you posted. Then your model is ready. Your model is ready. How can you hand over this model to client? That is the first question. What is the first question? How can you hand over? How can you hand over? How can hand over to? It is not like a laptop, right? Take it like that. It's not that issue, right? You can't see that model, right? It is like kind of a black box. You can't open that. You can't see that. It is a Python implementation code, right? That how can you hand over to client? That is the first question. And second question. Now, second question is what? Every month a new data will come. Every month a new data will come. New data will come. Suppose assume that every month a new data will come. Now your model should trigger. Your model should trigger every month. Every month your model should trigger. That is the next case. Every month model should trigger. That is the second case. Now third case. Now you need to monitor the model. You need to monitor the model whether the model is performance good or not. Maybe performance good or not. This all thing is the answer is called machine learning operations. All the answer is what? Machine learning operation. This is a separate subject actually. Machine learning operations is separate subject. That's why experienced people they might expect from you. The separate subject it is. So that's why we included Azure ML. What we included? Azure ML. Azure ML. So I will teach the Azure how to deploy the models on the Azure. That is I will teach you. Understood MLOps means? That is. Now, let's look at the syllabus again. So mathematics, when come to the mathematics is very simple. I'll give just an idea about mathematics. Let's see here. Let's see about the idea. Today I am afraid to open anything. I need to reboot all these things after going to home. Let it wait. Not coming. Yeah, let's see. We'll see other things and let it come to here. And next one is statistics. That is I told you, right? Statistics we will learn. What is the central tendency? What is variance, standard deviation, covariance, correlation, and different types of plots. And probability also we will learn. The basic probabilities and statistics advanced concept we will learn. And then Power BI will come to the picture. And this is data analysis. That is called EDA. What is the full form? Exploratory data analysis. You remember the term EDA. EDA. Exploratory data analysis. That means understanding your data, plotting the diagrams, understand the relation and everything. That is we will learn after statistics. Statistics is theory. EDA is implementation. EDA is the implementation by using Python. By using again Python. And next machine learning will come. Machine learning will come. In that some types of machine learning will be there. I will tell you that. And then deep learning will come. And then NLP will come. Then time series also, like stock predictions and weather forecasting. The time series analysis also we will do. And then ML ops. I told you, right? ML ops, ML flow and Azure machine learning we will do. And generative AI, ChatGPT and LLM models also we will do. So this entire will take 4+ months. It is a rigorous course. Okay. If you join means you need to work very hard. You need to work very hard. That is, you need to learn every day. You need to study every day. So much practice is required. And here Naresh IT will offer the lab session also. Naresh IT will provide the labs. Provide the lab session. Labs. That means morning 8 a.m. to evening 8 p.m. for offline students. For offline students. Morning 8 a.m. to evening 8 p.m. Still my students are there in the third floor. Okay, after the class, what happened? You need to go and you need to spend the time. If you're not able to spend the time, you can go have a lunch and come here and study here, like that. In the evening also, you can study here. So that what happened here, mentors will be available. Who will available? Mentors will be available. Mentors will guide you. Mentors will guide you in the right direction. You are getting some doubt. You are doing assignment. Whom you need to call? You need to call with some mentor is there, mentor. If mentor is not available, you need to call me. You can call me directly. You can call me at any time. You can call me at any time. Okay. You don't hesitate whenever you got any doubt while doing the study or while doing practice. Sir, I am getting this doubt. You can call me. If I will not leave the phone, you can message me WhatsApp, share your error screenshot, and I will guide you in the right direction. I will definitely give the reply in the day, pakka. Okay, in that particular day, I will give the reply. Because after this, I need to go to office right again. Again, maybe I will busy with office meetings. I will be busy with my work. So you should not wait for me. That's why mentors are available. That's why mentors are. If mentors are not clarify your doubts, then you can call me. You can call me. You can talk me at any time. So if you're not able to do also, we can separately connect with Zoom sessions, and we can separately do that Google Meet sessions. I am very much flexible with those who are study. Okay, I am very much flexible. If you realize that you are studying, if I realize you are studying means, I will encourage you a lot. Okay, I will show the freelance opportunities. I will provide your resume to my HRs, like that. Everything I will do. Once you need to prove yourself. You need to dedicated. Yes, this guy is dedicated. He is very much interested. He is understanding. He is doing. That hungry. If I see the hungry, I can teach more. Why I'm teaching to my students to more all these things, Flask and GitHub and generative and everything? Because they showed hungry. They're willing to learn. Yesterday I sent to share the screenshots, everyone shared. That is required. Out of 90 members, 50 members are hungry to learn something, to do something like that. So that is very, very important. You never hesitate. You can call me at any time. That is. So mentors will be available. Also, we will create the groups also, like WhatsApp groups. WhatsApp group also will create. So this is not used for good morning, good evening, good night. This is used for only the discussions. Okay, don't send the images. Okay, Navaratri Subhakangshalu. Not like that. Okay, only for this is the group discussions. Very, very healthy discussion will happen in the groups. Okay, I will also guide. And you, suppose this guy is identify one material in the Google, he'll paste that in the group. And some people understood the important questions of data science, they will paste. Some topic as they referred, they understood very beautiful in the YouTube link, they will paste that. Like that, healthy discussion will happen. Suppose this guy has got the error, he posted in the group. Don't be shy. Okay, he pasted the group and 10 people will give the answer. Like that. That is a discussion. Like that will happen. So now, first of all, let me take this. First of all, you understood. I hope you understood, everyone, what is data science. What is data science and what you are going to learn. Please confirm the chat. What you are going to learn. Everyone understood here? Understood? Say loudly. Yeah. Please confirm the chat. Please confirm the chat. At least I need to see at least 10 answers. Yeah. And this is the first thing. Third one is, we'll share the syllabus copy. We'll share the syllabus copy. Syllabus copy. This is more than syllabus what you expected, and these are more than teaching what you expected. You can talk to my previous batches also. You will never disappoint. Something you will learn and you will go that. And I always encourage students like that. Once class is over, if you're not understand, you should not allow to leave the class until unless you understand the concept. You stay here only. I will also stay here only. I will also stay here only. Today what happened? We taken 15 minutes time. 15 minutes time. 15 minutes time to explain to one guy. 15 minutes time I taken. I asked him to share the screen. I guided each and everything. Others also have seen that is. So I guided him right way and he done the problem solve. Like that. Online people especially, I will more concern about that, because offline people, they can discuss and they can sit behind and they can learn. Online people, what happen? I asked to screenshot. You can share the screen. I will guide you. That is, if you are shy, if you are not able to talk, we'll connect separately. Zoom meeting and like that. So that is. Only thing is, you should not allow to leave the class, simple. Because you are paying the money. Every penny is matter. So you should not allow to leave the class until unless you understood the concept on the day. House arrest me. Okay. I will hear only. Arrest me here. Sir, sit here. I want to learn this. Why I am not able to learn this? That thing should come. That guy is understood. Why I am not able to understand? He is not a god, right? He is also like me only. Somebody is invented. Then what is my role? At least I need to understand how he is invented, right? That you can do. So that is the thing. So I will share the syllabus copy. That is the third question is fine. And the fourth question is, laptop is required, ma? Laptop is definitely required. Laptop is definitely required. Okay, without laptop, it will not work, because you have seen that image processing and everything. That is, laptop is definitely required. If you don't have laptop, buy the laptop. Ask your friends, ask your family. But laptop is required. Engineers, laptop is required. Doctors, stethoscope is required. Correct? So engineer is, laptop is required. Without laptop, this will not work. And the laptop configuration, if you want to buy a new laptop, the configuration I will display, ma. Configuration I will display. And if it is good, minimum i5. Okay, 5th generation. If it is good, minimum Intel is better. 8 GB RAM is pakka, ma. 8 GB RAM is pakka. If this is for new buyers, if you want to buy a new laptop, I will tell you for all already existed. Okay, so it is a new one. If you want to buy a newly, i5 is required. Intel, 8 GB RAM, SSD, and minimum 1 terabyte hard disk kind of thing. Okay, and one more thing is called 64-bit processor. 64-bit processor. These are required for new. They are required for new. This, Saurabh, I will talk about this. Okay, slowly I am coming now. Everything. Slowly I am coming. First thing is you understood. That is very great. Second thing, I showed the syllabus. That also you understood what you are going to learn. That is super. And third one is what? If you want to pursue, what is required? Laptop is required. For if you don't have a laptop, you want to buy a new laptop, minimum i5 you need to buy. Intel or AMD, any processor works. And 8 GB RAM is minimum. SSD, 1 terabyte, 64-bit. And old one, those who are already have laptops. If i3 is there, so many people that you already have, right? i3 is available. i3 means the size only, you can see that how much the big size it is there, i3. Okay. So definitely you will might face a problem, that is when you are do locally. That's why I will teach you the other platforms on the cloud. That's why I will teach to the other platforms on the cloud. But minimum 8 GB and 64-bit processor required. 64-bit processor is required and 8 GB is required. 4 GB is not enough. 4 GB is not enough. My laptop is dying, no? See, when I open face detection, it is stuck or not? That is 64-bit is required, 8 GB is required. That is the old configuration. It's clear? Yeah. 4 GB means increase the RAM, na? You have 4 GB is there. Work with 4 GB starting days. When you are getting a doubt or when you are getting stuck, then increase the GB to 4 GB. Slowly. You understood, right? You can clear the RAM and you can use that. If you are not able to clear the RAM, increase that. That is your choice. But this is a requirement. Requirement is clear? Very good. Now, now the important one. Who can study this course? Who can study this course? So I will write here the scenarios and you tell me which scenario you are fall. Then I can guide you, okay? And first one is freshers. Freshers, definitely, yes. Freshers, definitely, yes. No doubt at all. Freshers blindly they can join. And those who are passed out after 2015, those who are passed out after 2015, and not doing any work. Not doing any work at all. No experience. Not doing any work means no experience. Also, you can pursue this course. Also, you can pursue this course. And for this backgrounds, educational background, educational backgrounds, educational background. Other than MBBS, other than LLB, okay? Other than MBBS, other than LLB, kuch bhi, so you can join. MBBS and LLB are not fit, okay? MBBS and LLB not fit. MBBS. My brother is MBBS and is very interested to create an AI app. So he discussed with me like that. Why can't we create a psycho physiotherapy or your psychiatrist app? He will talk his feelings and AI will suggest what should do. Yes, bro, that is already implementing. That is also progressing. You know, in our old days, you will get a messages. Hey, you want to talk with Sita or you want to take Radha, 9 rupees per minute, like that. Have you seen that kind of messages? That will come in future now. There's a AI board will be there. Now you'll go and you'll talk. The movies also came, no? That is, one movie is there in Malayalam. Who are in there in Malayalam? Robot movie is there. One movie is there. He's a good actor. Like that. There's a Her movie also there. Her. In English, Her movie also there. Now recently one movie is there. No, this is a girl. The girl name is called Tamil. Tamil one girl is there. No, Hansika. Hansika also robot. A new movies came. That also coming. That is now. That is so MBBS also very interested. So LLB. So is not works, ma. It is not works. Don't come here. Okay, not works. And who it can works? Engineering background, any background? Engineering background, any engineering background, any engineering background. You are doing MCA, you are doing BCA, you are doing BSc, or you are doing MSc, and you are doing BCom, MCom, MCom, and MBA. Everything will works. Every can works, and no chartered accounts. CA also not works. Okay, don't come to CAs and LLBs and MBBS, guys. Okay, so engineering background, any background will work, ma. So MCA will work, BCA will work, BSc will work, MSc will work, and pharma also will work. Okay, pharma also will work because every industry is using a data science right now. So everything they are hiring. So tomorrow I will showcase the beautiful guys who are achieved the success in their career, irrespective of the backgrounds. There's a teacher will be there, and there is a civil engineer will be there. There's a mechanical engineer will be there. There's a BSc guy is there, and MCom is there. Even the journalist also done. So in future he done as a journalist, and he done the data science course. He got the job. What do you require, ma? 10th class maths and Python, right? That is the base, and everything is your courage. How did you learn? That's why everywhere data science is required. Now next, this is the background, ma. Now coming to the experienced people. Experience. Suppose, let's see, you are a 2017 pass out. No career gap is there. That is, I already told, right? Discussed, right? After 2015, that is okay, fine. And experienced people. Experienced people, IT people, definitely yes. Any experience, 2 years to 20 years, 30 years, anyone can convert into data science. Anyone can convert into data. No, not at all problem that is. Only the thing is, if you are more than 6 years, you need to learn the cloud. You learn the cloud because that is the expectation. Client will ask you, right? Because you already experience guy. Next is what? You will become lead. Next you will become manager. You are the guy to talk with client. You are the guy to give the right direction to your juniors. So that's why you know everything that is. That's why they will expect that. Okay, next. Non-IT people. Those who are non-IT. Those who are non-IT people also definitely yes. And this experienced people and this non-IT people, you need to call me, ma. Call me. I will show the path. How can you convert into data science? Okay, I can't discuss this now publicly, that is. So there is some modifications we need to do, resume modifications, experience modifications, what kind of projects, what kind of certifications, we need to discuss that. Those who are experienced people and non-IT people, definitely please call me to my number. Okay? Please call to my number. And those who are falling in this category, no need to call ma. You can blindly, you can join. Freshers, 2015 not doing any work, and educational background, whatever the background you can do, that you have a experience or freshers, you can do. And those who are like, suppose, those who are already in 2010, you pass out ma. Suppose housewives are there. Now in 2023, you realized you want to enter into IT. Okay. That is also possible, but in different way. That is also possible in different way. These are all cases in the different way, ma. This is a different way, need to go. This is easily possible, but only we need to modify something, resumes. We need to modify your resume. We need to showcase in different way. Then only other people will believe that. So finally, what I want to say that if you have a degree, minimum degree is required. Minimum degree is required. Minimum degree is required. Any background can convert into data science. Not yet a problem. Minimum degree is required. If you are a polytechnic, don't come. If you have a +2, a +2 guy also came. +2 polytechnic also came, but there is a different goal. His goal is he wants to join BTech in the data science. He wants to join the BTech in data science. That's why he joined in the previous batch. He's from Mumbai. He's only +2. So his brother said that data science is future, join that. So he wants to join the BTech course in the data science. That's why he warm up. This is a warm up kind of thing. He joined here. And some guys also, freshers also joining. Freshers, like 2023 pass out. There are two categories. One is they want job. They want job. Another kind of thing, they want to go to abroad. They want to go to abroad to pursue again data science course. This is a warm up for them. Like that also, two categories persons are there. That is all. If you want to go to abroad also, I will guide you. Which university, which one, everything I will guide you. That is. So whatever the guidance you want, guidance or suggestions, everything you can call to me. Okay, call to this number. Call to this number. But don't ask me admin related things, ma, please. Okay, admin related things. What are the admin related things? Tell me. One is fee. Second one is class link. Okay. And third one is, what could be the third one? What could be the third one? Syllabus. Syllabus also you can take from admin only. Syllabus also. Don't ask me the fee related things. Don't ask me. If you want to call me, you need to call only for this only. Guidance and suggestions. Sir, this is my background. How can I do? I will suggest. Sir, this is my thing. How can I do? Only this thing. Don't ask me fee. Don't ask me class link. Don't ask me syllabus. That's when the starting only I given the admin numbers here. Offline admin, who is ma? Rajesh sir. Online admin, Rajeshwari madam. Faculty, me. Take these numbers. Take this numbers. जो भी doubt हो मेरे को पूछो. Okay? You no need to be shy. You can talk in Hindi, you can talk in English, you can talk in Telugu, but don't Kannada, no Tamil, Malayalam. Okay? 3 languages fine for me. Okay? Some communication skills is problem, no problem. Here what happened? We are presenting a PPT, paper presentations every Saturday. Okay? You need to present in the classroom so that what happened? You can increase your communication skills. And this is the path, this is the only last chance. Those who are introvert in the class, this is only the last chance. After you enter outside the world is very, very betrayal world, you know. Sabko dhoka deda. Okay? That is, I don't believe the outside the world. This is only the last chance. You want to prove yourself. Believe that. And next thing is, now I will take the questions. I have, very good, no? Super, Navdeep. That is good. 2016 EC pass out, no experience. Yeah, Himaja, you can call me. I will tell you. Okay, it is possible. No problem. And distant degree eligible. Distant degree, that means not regular. Not regular will companies will not accept na. Regular degree chahiye. Okay, definitely. Even some company TCS like that gap hai to they will not hire. Okay, regular degree is must. If you want to pursue regular degree, not a you can pursue now only. No problem. That is pursue now 3 years course if you want to really enter into you want to do. But regular degree is required, ma. We have experience in another field. That only everyone has experience in another field. Chandrasekhar. Experienced people all are in another field only. Experienced people. If you are experienced in data science, why you come to here? You can't come here, right? So it is experience. Whether it is a IT testing, you are a testing, you are a React JS, you are React JS people, you are a DevOps people, okay, and you are a Java people, Java, you have a SQL admin. One of my friend is a Microsoft from past 10 years. He is a very big guy in that. He's a SQL admin. Now he is learning the data science. Learning the data science, my evening batch. That is. There's so many people are there. 20 years people are there. 20 years experience people. So now you see everyone is converting only, right? Data science is a very new thing. They are implementing in the educational institutions from this year onwards, right? Data science is very new thing. How can he become a data science? Because he is converted, right? See, I am started my career with data analyst. When I started my career, there's no data science. I converted. I went to IIT. I studied. I converted. I learned Python in my office only. That's everything. I've done the data engineering projects, data science projects. Many what type of projects I have done. That is like that. Everyone is converted. Now you see here, ma. You see here. If LinkedIn is open, I can again it got stuck. When I go here, it got stuck. Yeah. Tomorrow I will show the successful stories. Okay. 2022 pass out is possible, ma. How much? That only na. 2022 very recent. You can offer jobs for freshers also for every company. They are hired, right? 2019 said they will hire. Direct job, TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, they will hire directly. No problem at all. That is. And BCom background, yeah. BCom, what BCom? Swapneshwar, what are the subjects we have? What are the subjects in BCom? And then MacBook configuration. Yeah, MacBook configuration, I don't have an idea because we will use only Windows, right? In office only, they are unfortunately, they will use only MacBook. They'll not give MacBook. They'll use only Windows only. Our life is Windows. My project is Google project. They given the Chrome OS laptop yesterday. I collected that. Trust me, that keyboard is completely different. So I want to know uppercase. There's no uppercase button. So I'm searching in Google how to get the uppercase in that keypad. That is a completely different laptop. That is. The MacBook is always is the very best. No, that is not a problem. That is. Packages. Yeah, packages. Packages I can tell easily. That is no problem. Packages minimum 5 lakhs you will get my minimum 5 lakhs. Nowadays, a fresher guy is there. He is under me. He got 11 lakhs. Fresher. He's a Pilani University. Pilani, you know what is that? Pilani Investments. Pilani Investments. Pilani Investment. Data science, full-time data science, 4 years people. Minimum they are earning that 17 lakhs. Minimum 17 lakhs, 4 years people. The converted guys, 10 years, 12 years, the converted guys. Now there is a one guy is there, one of my friend, he is only. He is like 10 years experience and a drawing 26 lakhs. He converted recently. 30 lakhs also they are inverting. 40 lakhs also they are earning. There no limit. Sky is the limit. Sky is the limit now. Data science. There's no limit at all. Yesterday, one of my student, he is like experience only 12 years experience. From Delhi, they are saying that he is talking about that in my company, 2 years guy earning 30 lakh salary, sir, in data science. So that's why I got the interested. My salary is only in 20s only. When I will get to 30s, that is. So that is salaries are very huge. Salaries are very huge. But you need to do work hard, ma. You need to work hard. So data science is a, every time I told you one statement only, data science is a test match. It is not a 2020 match. It is not a 2020. No. It is a test match. Patience is required. Understand the concepts is required. Practice is required. The hungry, I want to become a data scientist because that is the future, na? You learn Python. After 2 years, Python will gone. Then you want to learn another language. That's why experienced people are coming to learn data science. Why they are coming here? Because they know. Because of data science, because of AI, all jobs are automated. Everything is gone. That's why we need to learn the technology. That's why they are coming. So this is a right opportunity. This is a very, very right opportunity. So let's see some more questions. Yeah. Civil engineer. Civil engineer absolutely is one of my 2 students are there, ma. 2 students are civil engineer only. Yeah, cool. 2 students are civil engineer only. Okay. That's why no problem. Whatever the background, no problem at all. No problem at all background. Because everyone is required. Now you are a mechanical engineer, you are a civil engineer. Company is hiring you IT or not? Freshers. Tell me. Are you seeing? Is hiring or not? Hiring, no, bulk hiring. Companies are coming. TCS hiring 350 members in the college. Mechanical people, civil people, electronics people. Why they are hiring? To work in IT industry, degree chahiye. That's all. Everything they will only train. Everything they will only train. It is not a stream related things. We are not doing that stream related things. Remember that. Next question. Yeah, BA 220 passed out. Yes, same thing, ma. Same thing. Tarun. Definitely you can pursue. Definitely you can pursue. After 2015, blindly you can pursue, ma. Blindly you can pursue. No problem at all. After 2015. If you are still after 2019, you no need to think about that also. No need to think about that. There's a one guy is there, Bhaskar, in our student only. He studied for civil services. Okay, now he has this 30 years. Okay, he is learning. He recently learned and he got the job. He got the job in startup. He got 30 years. He started career very recently in the startup as a data science. There's so many successful stories are there. Because if you have a talent, they will hire you. If you don't have talent, no one will hire you. You need to showcase your talent in the data science. Especially data science a platform is like kind of IPL. Okay, IPL में खेलो, India का door में खोलो, like kind of this. Understand? Those are doing the IPL, they are only now entering the Indian team, right? That is a platform. That is a platform. This guy is very inspirational guy. And one more inspirational guy is there. Tomorrow I will show you that. He's a teacher. He's a teacher for lifetime. Okay, we both work together with Praxis Business School as a guest employee and he's a full-time employee. Now he's almost 40 years. Now he become a data science in some company. One day he posted in LinkedIn. So I shocked. I called him. Yes, I got the job in data science. He said, he's a teacher. He's a faculty in the Praxis Business School. He teaches the Python. He teaches to Python generally. He got the job. That is, so many successful stories are there. BTech 2015 I covered. Tell me, this is very, very interesting. Padmaja, what you have done? What you have done after 2010? What you have done after 2010? 2010 you passed out, okay. But have you done something or not? No answer. Have you done something or not? Some experience lined up. Vaibhav, that is good. No problem. BCA, good ma, Vaibhav, no problem. ECE, after since last year working in infrastructure by Juice. Yeah, it is okay, Srishti. You can call me separately. We can discuss. We can discuss how to you can draw the road path. Lecture, right? Yeah, that is just now I told lecture, right? Lecturer thing. What subject you will teach? What subject you will teach? Computers, maths. What subject you will teach? Then maths is great, no? Maths is required for data science. What road path? You just attend the class and try for job. They will give the job. But 2023 you pass out. There's no road pass for this. Attend the classes and apply the job. Then you will get the job. Who will stop you? 2023 pass out. There's nothing will happen. Okay, tomorrow we'll see some more about data science concepts. If you are still having any doubts, okay, call me to my number. Call to my number. I will provide the right path. I will provide the right path. Okay. I'll provide the right path. So if you have any doubts, you can stay here. If don't have any doubts, you can leave the class. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the session. Sumit, what is your question? Sumit. This is fine, ma Sumit. That I'm telling, na. It is fine. 2020 pass out is fine. And your experience also. It's fine. Okay. It is fine. Okay. Next. Any questions? Yeah. Some people are doing virtual internship. Today I will tell that internship program also, Vaibhav. Tomorrow I will tell about the internship programs also. Internship programs also I will tell. That is very helpful. Everyone doing nowadays virtual only. Everyone nowadays virtual only.